Yo, I hope you all are doing well. Just decided to post a new process video for an illustration titled The Feel Moon. You can see the final illustration on my profile. But what you're looking at here is just me going through the inking process. I did some pencil work on paper, and then usually I scan that in and I do a rough sketch digitally. I use Photoshop and a 13 HD Wacom Tablet. It's a super old one that I still use. It's just the one I'm comfortable with. But yeah, I'm going through and doing the inks, just kind of flowing through it pretty quickly, fixing a few things here and there, trying to have a little bit of variation in the line weight. Yeah, and just, after working on the character, I'm trying to also think about the color and areas of focus. So you'll see me start to fill in the hair here. I've kind of decided that, I want the hair to be really strong, a really strong black color, just to provide some contrast with what I'm planning for the lightness of the moon. So you'll see me start to fill that in here. And for the most part, I draw everything in by hand, just as if I was doing it traditionally on paper with a marker. I don't really use smoothing a whole lot in my brush work digitally. I'm using a brush, I believe it's called the Perfect Inker. It's from an old Megapack set from Webster that I've modified just a little bit, but I don't really use the smoothing too much. I like to just have kind of my natural hand in there. So you can see me now just adding some details in the background and the moon. I'm drawing the Mayte plant or the agave plant there. And at this point, I've drawn these plants just so many times, living in the desert, that I'm not really using reference. I'm just drawing them from memory, adding my own little style on them, letting them be kind of my own little thing. Then I'm going in to add some details in the ground, some of the dirt, little lines and movement in the dirt down there. And yeah, after I finish that, just do a quick check for some values so I can get ready to color. The last thing here, I do redraw in the border, and then I'll sign it. So that will be it for this one. Hope you dug watching this quick process video. Let me know if you like it so I can post some more. Have a good one. Peace.